Hi, today I'm for the Honor X6 and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So first we should get the application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge application. So now we should get this app, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, just tap to open the application and near green, then just tap to draw up your apps. And find here Muviz Edge application, click on the switcher and go back. Switch edge lights to AOD and select one from this available tabs, click to apply. Lock the device and we can see that the Always On Display option successfully turned off. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.